I'm Jayla Corian, the Glamaholic, and I have a sneaker haul with a few clothing pieces from Adidas. I went a little bit overboard with the clothing pieces, as you can see. Recently, I've noticed a change in my style. I used to be really girly and wear heels a lot and just floral pieces. And now I feel like my style is more sporty, more edgy, more chill, but still that girly feel to it. I'm still really girly, but definitely more sporty, more edgy, and more chill. So I have been liking sneakers lately, and as you can see, I got a few pair of sneakers. So I'm going to be showing you guys the new sneakers that I got. Okay, so the first brand of sneakers that I've always been obsessed with is Converse. I always keep me a fresh pair of Converses, high top and low top. But I saw these pair and they were super cute. They're in this olive color right here. And it has like the black Converse logo on it, and I just really like this. I'm obsessed with this color, so I have a lot of pieces that are like this olive green color. I feel like I'm going to be wearing that a lot this fall season, so I got these kicks. The next brand I really enjoy is Nikes. I got quite a few Nikes, and for me, I like that Nikes are like a feminine shoe versus like, I guess like LeBron's. They're like guyish, so I do still feel like I like girly type of shoes. And I got these sneakers. They're black, but they have gold detailing on the back and a gold check mark, and that's what I really liked about these. I like the gold part of it, and I would definitely wear this with a sweatsuit, maybe even a dress, some sweatpants. I just really like the gold touch to these shoes. These ones are also black, and what I like about these, they actually have like some detail in it. It looks like chrome or metallic, and I have chrome nails. They're like all rainbow and blue and purple, so I really like this. I like the small detail on it, but I didn't want just a plain black shoe. So this one looks really girly, has a white bottom, so they're different from the other ones. I could definitely wear them in a different way. And yeah, I validated 2 pair of black shoes, but they're different. They look different. I got some shoes from Puma. Now, I haven't had any Puma since I was like a little girl, but I saw these and I had to have them. I think that Puma did a really good job with endorsing Rihanna, because Rihanna has definitely made the brand come back alive, and people are definitely wearing Pumas a lot more. So yeah, I got some Pumas. Now, the story behind these shoes is I had about 3 assignments to do, and I told myself, Jayla, if you do your assignments, then you can buy yourself a gift. So this was a gift to myself after I did my homework assignments. You guys can check out my vlog channel. I'm in college and I like vlog my college experience. So sometimes I'm like stressing out and I have to like give myself a gift. So these were it. They are a nude pair of shoes, nude grayish kind of. And what I really like about this is they have a gold toe on it, like front part. And I don't know, maybe I'm obsessed with gold. That's probably it. So any shoe that has some gold in it, I'm like, oh, they're so cute. So I got these. Next, more Nikes. Let's see what these ones are. Okay, these are some more Air Max. These are the Pegasus. Yeah, I told you guys I'm gonna mess up the name. They're white and they have a red check mark. I really like the red check mark on it, and they have some gold on it as well. But I really like the red check mark. That means I can wear it with maybe a red jumpsuit or a red shirt or a graphic t-shirt that has more red in it. So I did want to get a shoe that was like, you know, had some color in it that I could wear with some red. So I got this. I really like the red check mark on it. That's why I really got them. Let's keep going with Nikes. These are the Roshis. I hope that's how you say it. But I freaking love these ones. So they like have, I think they're like a camo type of print. It's blue, teal, olive green, which I love the olive green color. And then they have the neon yellow shoestrings. I just love the color combo of these shoes. And once I saw them, I was just like, yeah, there, go, click in my cart, buying them. So I got these. I have one last pair of Nikes. These are some Air Maxes. I like the style of the Air Max ones. I like these. So these ones are a cream color, and instead of gold, they're like a rose gold. So I really like this. I thought they were really girly, but still not like too much in your face. I feel like I don't like sneakers that's like really bright or out there. I still like it to be kind of toned down. Yeah, so I got these ones. I really like these. I wear these a lot, and they go with a lot of stuff that I already have existing in my closet. Next, I have been obsessed with Adidas, and I've never owned anything Adidas ever before in life. No shoes, no clothing pieces, but recently I have been obsessed with this brand. I don't know why. So I got 2 pair of shoes from Adidas. The first pair I got are their regular, traditional white and black pair of sneakers. These are called the Superstar. I know they have different it has like the gold, black and gold right here, but just a regular black and white pair of Adidas. So yeah, I just wanted a regular pair of Adidas, so I got those. And then my next pair of Adidas, I saw these pink ones, and I was just like, you know, I had a girly moment, and I was just like, you know, I don't feel like I wear these a lot, but I had to have them. So yeah, I've been actually styling them a lot with things that I have, because I've been wearing like more pinks to like counteract the sporty, edgy, like more tomboyish style. So I'll definitely wear this with like what I have on right now with my little dress, and it just makes it girly. So yeah, I would say I'm just really girly. Like, I like my things to look girly. I'm a girly girl still at heart. Now moving on to the actual pieces that I got from Adidas, and I actually have them on hangers to make it easier to show you guys. Alright, so I wanted things to actually wear with my Adidas shoes that I got. The first piece that I got is this gray t-shirt like this. Nothing special. What does it even say? It says Adidas. It has Adidas logo. It says lit work. Don't know what that actually means. It has some Chinese writing on the arm. I don't know, I just got the Adidas shirt. The next Adidas shirt I got is, this one is more floral print. And I thought it was really cute and really girly. This one actually says the brand with the 3 stripes. And it says some other stuff that I don't know what it's talking about. But yeah, I like the shirt. Another one I got is a crop top. Looks like this. So it's just a regular tight fitted crop top that actually shows the Adidas logo. Another shirt I got was camo. This one I think is actually in the kids, but luckily I'm tiny so I can fit the kids. And I really like the camo, so this one would be like a more fitted shirt. But yeah, I like that. I got a Adidas sweatsuit. So I got this Adidas hoodie. It's pink, just says Adidas on it. And the next 2 things I got are the actual track pants. So I got these track pants right here. I get the track pants in extra small because I'm really tiny. Has the 3 stripes going down the side, Adidas on it. So that goes with the pink hoodie. And then I also got a white pair like this. Boom, same thing, similar. And I could wear that with the crop top or any other shirts. And I also got an Adidas skirt. It hasn't came in the mail yet, but it's a red skirt that I could also wear with the crop top. So those are my Adidas pieces that I just got, and I feel like Adidas needs to come out with more crop tops and girly stuff, because I'm going to be the first one to buy it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. In the comment section, let me know what you think about my new style and the pieces that I got, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.